How to enable or disable current mode in navbar lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on navbar. Then we go down and tap on current mode. Tap on it to switch it off or turn it on. Now what this does is that it displays an interactive shortcut showing your phone's active automation status such as sleep, theater, driving, exercise, or work on the navbar on your always on display screen. So how does it help you? If you have a mode running, you can look at your lock phone to see exactly which profile is active. Tapping on it lets you instantly switch its mode or turn the current profile off directly from the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching.